Welcome to the ToolSeq tutorials of Autodesk Maya. Alright, so ToolSeq ItemHud extends functionality of the polycount module of the heads-up display by adding a few more informations on it. There are three rows over here. The first column of the first row displays count of all shapes in your scene. The second column of the first row displays count of selected shapes in your scene. The first column of the second row displays count of all transforms in your scene, and the second column of the second row displays count of selected transforms in your scene. All right. The third row displays count of all selections in your scene, regardless of selection type. All right. So let's try a few examples real quick. So let's create a brand new polygon cube over here and let's instance it by using duplicate spatial, and let's select all of them. These are all shapes and all transforms. These are selected shapes and selected transforms, and this one is selections regardless of selection type. All right. Click on the ItemHud shelf button to toggle ToolSeq ItemHud. So let's try this pretty quickly and toggle ToolSeq ItemHud. All right. Thanks for watching me. See you in the next video.